हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम. तर या चॅप्टरचा हा तिसरा पार्ट आहे. तर हा पार्ट खूप इम्पॉर्टंट ठरणार आहे, कारण 8th पॉईंट मेथड्स ऑफ सॉईल मॉइश्चर एस्टिमेशन खूप इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट आहे. तर शेवटपर्यंत तुम्ही व्हिडिओ बघा. यामध्ये प्रत्येक एक्सपेरिमेंटचं बेस्ट असं इन्फॉर्मेशन दिले गेले आहे. तर स्टार्ट करूया आपण. मेथड्स ऑफ सॉईल मॉइश्चर एस्टिमेशन. The first one, we'll see information about soil moisture estimation. The measurement of soil moisture is needed to determine when to irrigate and how much water to be applied. म्हणजे कधी इरिगेशन दिलं पाहिजे आणि कसं ॲप्लाय केलं पाहिजे हे सांगतं सॉईल मॉइश्चर मेजरमेंट. हे गरजेचं आहे सॉईल मॉइश्चर मेजरमेंट करण्यासाठी. टू डिटरमाइन द when to irrigate and how much water to be applied. And for practical purpose, irrigation should be given when about 50% of available moisture in the root zone is depleted. It means 50% available moisture is depleted, then the irrigation should be given. Next, the amount of water is to be applied is directly related to the water already present in the soil. Important one, the amount of water is applied is directly related to the water already present in the soil. So move to the next, how to measure the soil moisture. There are two methods. The first one is direct method and the second one is indirect method. First we'll see the direct method. Indirect method, there are two methods. We'll see measurement of moisture content in the soil or wetness. The first one is gravimetric method and the second one is volumetric method. We'll see the first, that is the gravimetric method. In this, the method is extensively used for determination of moisture of the soil. एक्सटेन्सिवली यूज होतो या मेथडचा. जास्त प्रमाणात यूज केला जातो हा मेथड. दॅट इज मीन्स ग्रॅव्हिमेट्रिक मेथड. In this method, the soil moisture is expressed on dry wet basis, on the basis of dry wet basis. We'll see the first, the gravimetric method's aim. What is the aim of this method? To determine the soil moisture content in the sample. To determine the soil moisture content in the sample. And what are the requirements of this method? There are the first one is soil sample is most important, is requirement, and second one is aluminum container, third one is screw auger and oven and wetting scale for wetting of the soil samples and various materials, and the watch is required for setting time, and the thermometer for measuring the temperature. And procedure of this method, we'll see the procedure. It is the simple one. We'll see the first, the soil sample in which the moisture content is to be determined is taken from the field using the screw auger. By using screw auger, the soil sample is taken. And the second one is the soil sample is transferred to an aluminum or stainless steel soil sample container. And the third one is the next procedure is the weight of the sample container along with the soil sample is noted. Then it is placed in a hot air oven for 24 to 28 hours at 105 degree centigrade. And the last one, the dry weight of the soil sample with the container is again weighted. The procedure is completed here. And how to calculate the soil moisture content. And from the dry and the wet weights of the soil, moisture content can be calculated. We'll see the formula. The soil moisture in percentage by weight means PW, wet soil weight minus dry soil weight divided by dry soil weight into 100. It is the formula for the calculating of the moisture content in the soil sample by using the gravimetric method. It is important one and it is very simplified. This is aim, these are the requirements, this is the procedure, this is the calculation. I will put it the all information of this process in a proper manner. So next one is volumetric method. The requirement for this method, we'll see here. First is oven is required, soil sample is mostly required, and the tube auger and the core sampler. And the second, we'll see the procedure of this method. Soil sample is taken with a core sampler with a tube auger whose volume is known, and the amount of water present in the soil sample is estimated by drying it in oven. After the drying the soil sample, the soil sample is estimated. And advantages of this method: this is reliable method, and this is a simple method. The volumetric method is reliable, and this is simple method. And disadvantage of this method: this is time consuming one, and sampling is destructive. This sampling is a destructive for us. And the calculation of this volumetric method: here the moisture content which is equal to moisture content percent by weight into bulk density percentage by volume. Very simple formula here. Moisture content which is equal to moisture content percentage by weight into bulk density percentage by volume. And move through the next, that is indirect method. And this is the indirect method. In those methods, no water content in the soil is directly measured, but the water potential or stress or tension under which the water is held by the soil is measured. This is important for measuring the water content in the soil. Not directly the water, but water potential or stress or tension measured by using this method, that is indirect method. And indirect methods, these are various instruments. The first one is tensiometer, means aerometers. And second one is gypsum block or resistance block. Third one is pressure membrane and pressure plate apparatus. And the fourth one is neutron moisture meter or neutron scattering method. And the fifth one is microwave remote sensing and time domain reflectometer, means TDR. These are the instruments we will see in the next part. So thank you friends. We'll take a short note. This is very important one point. So thank you.